In this video, I'm going to show you how this newly implemented feature allows you to fully customize the software and make it work exactly the way you want, giving you the ability to achieve unique and distinctive results. Let's take a simple example. I want to create a generic image. So I start by entering a basic prompt, and then I define the environment to give it some context. As usual, I can specify things like camera angle, subject distance, and overall style. In this case, I'll choose a realistic style, a high-angle shot for the framing, and set a specific distance from the subject. Every time you use one of these features, the system translates your selections into prompt instructions that are sent to the AI. At this stage, the software is essentially a graphical interface that lets you make choices using selectors instead of manually writing or copying and pasting prompts like people often do. For example, I can add new characteristics, and as you can see, each one is automatically appended to the prompt that gets sent to the image or video generation models. Now, let's say you're more advanced, or maybe you found prompts online that describe a specific feature in much greater detail, and you want that exact definition to be used instead of the default one provided by the software. From now on, you can fully customize the prompt definition of any feature. Just locate the selector and edit it. You'll see several options. You can change the image, and you can modify the prompt definition itself. There are two editable fields. One is the extended prompt, and the other is a very short version. This is useful because in some cases, long prompts aren't allowed, so the system automatically switches to the shorter version. Of course, you can edit and save both. Just make your changes and save. That's it. And as you can see, the update is instantly reflected in the main prompt that will be sent to the generation model. As you can imagine, this feature allows you to create your own unique style and reuse it whenever you want in a very simple way. And if at any point you don't like your changes, you can always revert back to the original default version. On top of editing settings, you can also export and import them. This means you can create multiple setups and reload them whenever needed. You can even add entirely new custom selectors. Let's try an example. We'll add a new filter and call it Minecraft. All you have to do is create a new selector, give it a name, optionally add an image, and define the prompt. When writing the prompt, try to be concise but detailed, so the model gets clear instructions. Now let's generate an image using our custom style, and here's the result. A beautiful blonde woman in a sexy red dress, standing near a river in front of the Eiffel Tower, all in full Minecraft style. As mentioned before, if you want to go back to the original styles and selectors like we did earlier with the realistic style, you can simply click the Reset button and everything goes back to default. Now you understand how you can use high-impact visuals with your own unique and personal style. And of course, you can do the same for videos. For example, if I go into camera motion and select a movement preset, I can edit it. I can also look for more advanced definitions online or create my own custom camera movements and add them. From now on, you can customize everything based on your style, your preferences, and your creative direction. That's it for this video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel to stay updated with all the new features we're adding to the software every day. And if the download link isn't available yet, keep checking back on the channel. It will be released very soon.